you've always been a rotten little brat. Reindeer coming and they're gonna bite your teeth, they're gonna chew your welcome mat, swallow your kitty cat. Reindeer coming and they're gonna eat your begonias, 'cause Santa hasn't fed them in a month.